Mame mochi na yenda trade upon Yankopon asese ode ene nso ache ene da ben kra yawada April ne da toso a year edunu 20th of April. The month of April cost you special and a cost you that month na lots of surprises positive about there. You know, order your comfort of your room. No problem. Yeah, the human interest sorry neighbor. Tie da trade upon Yankopon asese ode ene nso ache bedwem on Adom TV, multi TV, so if we cyber copy him say no kuno air the airbo, bribia that the Mekai on say it is a collective responsibility. Nyina ya said there says see timi dwene on my Ghana ho. Near to adwene. Man ko dun pempen so a menu nyina no. Santo mana e free titi. Ya pese Ghana fefra no. Nyina etima make sure say etima ya santo mana fra. Ti kopim say Ghana be fa ntuma pa efra. Diato simbia no ewo menu yana montum ya brabom Ghana nyuma ahodo me ba pomudi nsem adesua nsem edan ho asem ekwan ho asem eba bibia sikasem nsem a until we fight to that point na yebeka se afedi ebetimi ahome na yaka se enkoapa no kofo ye ne yedi kakra hu no kore a yedi abotri che ne be hye no we will continue to fight for the good of Mother Ghana. Ntokwaku ni ma no ebetie binum ebepia bi magu nchen ebinum behwere omonkwa ebinum benya yade. It is for the common good of this country. That is why ebribia e tu sa na monwe no wuni a obenya akwanya se obaye kandifo ana obenya tumi bi Ghana na dia ma no esese wutim di ye adwuma esefata if se nipa de omonkwa na eto o ma Ghana yedi ti se onyame ye wadom na ohun mobo na unya kwanya jina Ghana na mo baabi a obia so ye dwadini so ye centuroni so ye gutani so ye obia ya manyosem so ye public or civil servant no you need to demonstrate that sense of urgency to serve and serve Mother Ghana well. Demonstrate that level of patriotism, that level of love for your country and honesty for your country. So what me to say na mon we nyina dia I can promise you that Ghana enche yebefa entuma pa efra efri bu be wenya ne o achia enso emuye eguso chia sa de bia emuye esese man gina brane ne hu se ampa achia na emuye if me page dua na eden e de si ho. On this note ebium mame mo akwa abada me mo achimbra ya wada sonko kra if say ba bia o mini se nsu na to de a ya eti eastern region ne de nsu na to buburuja ama o hwe ne o microphone mo amomo titete sa me biri slingoyers na mo kwan nyina anye papa no mo so no esio no emuamuna no kakra obata etimi antoba ye o eastern region de eni akone pepepe but ye danyame asese all cost to anim che na ye gie di so se ye kuafo no so benya kwanya na enuaba ahodo a se omudua nyina titru ene tomatoes bo no ebia na onkodwom di ameka paint rubber no 100 105 110 120 inti enye djuma ketu adaka no kwa de ontimi nka inti se wo yo obi odi tomato di djuma kese pa dia na se esese ye boa ma akuafo and dey bia that the conversation keeps coming up edubre na tomato so kwa di agro ye bebo paint rubber na 20 series 15 series ina na wonya bi wodi woni kire adro ba sa abre no enya ebre e wo akire bia o fa adaka mu ani na 250 series ene okubusa adaka ne boa ebi ni nam 3000 3,500, 4,000, kako 5,000. Because auto paint rubber bako 100 series and 95 series and 120. Chro. I say anyone titru yedim. Never bought costro. Never bought costro, especially when Ghana man paying through Mashibim a 12 million sana or no didn't sa ashas, you know. Jishanim. We are good for a casaca sepa. One AGI for so casapa. So man paying sana montu awotui ehun sunsuanso no ebeba Ghana for so let's brace ourselves up and no adana make we kosi say yakọ IMF kwa but we dey yakọ pa me we say yakọ ti me friend IMMF na 17 times as o man dey ho o man say ye sovereign country na bribia da no agi adwumakuo bi ana baba tutu esi kasem mayen sai mefo ne fa yonko mfie mienu eda anima Ghana she share face kasam bibia be ko kama. Sa yonko fa na wie mfie mienu ana mfie miensa no wie pe na bibia sa budichi. So it tells us there's a problem with us. Dear Yana say, Yera Kwame Nkrumah mre bi atwa mo kato say obibini na nkasa eya menu mienu aye bibifui. Yensu ye betimi ahwehwe ye nneoma so edi ye ho so abobra se fata. We always don't need a third force or hand or power to control the affairs of the black man. Unfortunately, Oba o my Ghana mo 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 times. We've gone to the IMF. We still don't see any change. There's a problem with us. In Pijawani Tempa and Fafubu in Koma, one a man yourself and original name Echichiri Mino. O Kamubi. Mr. Kamubi. Tibribia than see a Jitu Musadia. They ye nipa wana amabe a candy foa. Ye nipa bia sa keke. Kwabna Santi Soa. Kwabna Santi AC. Or Kwabna Santi AC. By be nipa based on merit. It's a meritocracy. But unfortunately, Brofubia no bika square pegs in round holes. The eye who crashes say kwane, the caliber of people are yeah, if we are not careful in this country, and check, turn into crooks, cowards, people who use Mrashebejum to do weird things at the expense of the country. People who get political power just to milk and that's why the American yes and for is a responsibility on us to be truthful and bold and unbiased to deliver for the masses because we represent the masses. Any part of Duana and Timinya Quenya, Entimini, and Penyufo Ninkomo said you Namia Domina Humbo Boyena Sa Quenyano. It is a big responsibility on us as journalists to do what is right 99% of the times. Very important. Because Ghana for to do na nkasa won gidie ni won wure. Amazingly, ashemu. Do na we can't disappoint, we can't fail. Eti bribia dan say we opposition you, say we government in power, it's also incumbent on you to be patriotic, to love the country, take decisions that will inure to the bigger picture. So we benefit. We should not always be thinking about our friends, our family, our party people. The MPP is not in power because of MPP Fonko and to Abamano. Ghana for Binima, one or two Abaka MPP at this year. The MPP Abijina. So a baby, a baby, so your NDC, so your PNC, so your CPPU. That's the point. Again, idea cost to nya any higher treachery politically. Any political party in opposition is seeking for the downfall of the government in power. And it's the same Ghana. To be when pay pa we get experience dum so cry. Na we dia obofitiano pa no. Ghana need this year. So if we don't wish good for ourselves, we pull ourselves down. Now, you expect to say Ghana will develop to the height that we are all looking for. It's a joke. I'm here to encourage all of us. Ampa achia emuye. There's a lot of mismanagement in the system. Ampa enye papa. There's a lot going on in the country. Ampa emu orem. But it does not in any way give you that opportunity to resort to insults, blackmailing, character assassination, lies, dishonesty. Because these traits, and chichiri kuro, a bokru, issue any buy American was in and chichiri kuro, we are contumpo for, which training panenti, which nipa sign, which ditro, a buffo, yaudie, with all pobia shiasie. All this kind of mentality, a bokru, edi hoyeba edi fudipe nkoa no abusua nkoa no nawofo nkoa no old school mates nkoa bibia ye nkoa enye party ni da bi nkoa we nyina ebokuro aban sase ye tonton no basa afi bedu baabi aban na kra pade aya moman ni adehye na onya baabi amfanye bana nkura na aton ye tumi ma nipa no matonton aposifo ye kana sichi aposifo adwuma no tumi se we de obi an se kwa nso aposifo se kwa nukredi ankasa for man no humte oko hospital nurse ni hwe ani mo se mpani ho woman 300 series no wanyampa. Wow, how do we build a country like that? How? Obi wu or the bench so ya the drape sini so empire ni beto so no as mpani ho. A teacher for so nyina say omo jijibi we kire anse no ma kire nkwada de. The normal schedules at a classroom crown are a problem if you don't pay. Iti on minor kasano yesu any a buying essence bribia that we take a lot of things for granted. That's what is happening to us as a country now. The solution of this country, the problems, you know, is not in the MPP or in the NDC say one bit me. It's a collective responsibility and the kind of leaders that we appoint or elect. Ti wo hwe obi akeke no amna ko nim so oye kromfo sebe o so onkom na hye bedwam nim so 419 unim se onu bukata na oye oni suban papa no de akotena emra hye bedwam o so onu ana abeto ama no. So when the country is going back ekodichia why na akoka na asem unim so omuade edidi atama hye ne ma sa nipa na apaso e candidate. What do you look at when you are electing or voting or appointing for somebody to a higher office? Unim ni pa. Unim no, nyese unim ni pa. So those are the challenges that we are facing. Until we come to that realization, it's a main immigration officer, main G10 cities, MOB, and Jemu Boda Yatum. Until we get to that point where Yebeji Atum say your customs for your immigration or your airport no a bia and only Ghana any munyam. You know? It's yen nyoma and sem fata honum. Until we get to that point. That post before you na kwamu na de bia da one ejitwo. Until we get to that point. That Central will be truthful. Yan fa bi fiafia ho te se de Ghana asasem siye na gidi amanyo sem a ensem fata enfam puntu bia mre se sia ne akoboko adu se ana ikwara ne deda ajanan bia na esuade ana edidi basa. Always we are creating tension and chaos until we get to that point where we know that the Electoral Commission is an independent body. Yankofa a highly exposed political person. They say appear here and now say appear to say when enquire Electoral Commission. Until we get to that point. Because if we don't try to tell ourselves the truth, the next administration say acquire MPP and acquire NDC. Can you imagine that hero for some of the Electoral Commission chairman? Asabia ye twabia enebia no. Ene Ghana embrane ne hihye ne nyoma bebrebo abra no ehun sunsuanso no da ho de mai. It is really to encourage you. It's to encourage you. It's to encourage you. You know that ehun hia kasi pass oti ase de ntia we Ghana ni because the man foundation no maba. Omo beka bia to aso. Oti ase se we Ghana ni Tiasia dientia we Ghana ni dientia nyame do call public or the civil service nim. Tiasia dientia nyame mo akoye dwedini. Tiasia dientia be centroni. Tiasia one stubborn unit appear on this country quite driver for commercial drivers. Reasonable percentage of them. Very lawless, reckless. And yeah na won akwa say Ghana for to share anymore. na driver for kaka basa obi ankasa agi brain o say na na bi okufi okokra no so okokuma ase na na kra antin na nim anche no nti ni suspect say ono na eku no na your mental issues bibia esi organa bia na honhom ana obi na chokuwe na paper na toye ana o yesi unko hospital for the past 15 years un check uni pedua no una ma na obuhwi na wu a o se bayi na eyo. Why? We've corrupted our mind with certain mentalities. For the past 20 years, we see hospital that no day. Now you should man diesel track in the corona, and no corona, it do baby breaks in every man diesel, and no denche a ball. Wow, said on tiapo, Osha now to prayer camp. Here baba na ujidi se odi be yejuma ope adwuma ote asori fi Monday to Monday na man at time no akwasi be boa me mo man at time no na nya me konkra be na Monday to Monday no wa pagya wa hwi tem na odo abesi adwuma mu na oye adwuma na asa back. How is it going to work like that? How is it going to work like that? Monday to Monday, say why? The 40 days fast to baby, 120 days fast to baby, 32 days fast to baby. The Christopher says 71% of this country. She chrononia would ye and the Is that a reflection of what we go every Sunday to go and learn? How? Mr. Everywhere, Bibia break it down. And then Ghana phone call that Omudi Trokra Chain Bibia. They are smart in Trodi. But their parents are teaching them. Oh, or so you catch your mammy, you catch your fast, catch your. That's the problem. In Titiankasa, a dema, Yankasa as Ghana phone, a year to baby. Now, ye copy so. Ye copia manebros nanka LGBTQTWMYZ and then man nanka intimacy po a Christopher he incremo for he obi a ye hwe han obi azusu ade no so obagana ha e ye chiwade e dia kan di for no be able to. I'm surprised the Pentecostals and the charismatics and the Muslims. I'm so surprised that we cannot push and force that this is the position of this country. Omani take position. We have continuously been cowards and hypocrites. So I'm careful. And Russia will be filled with lesbians and gays. Mad dying. I feel number here. Because you are talking about our sovereignty is in doubt. Hardly can we really take a position on this matter. Omaya, bauxite, lithium, gold, diamond, cocoa. Keep mentioning timber. We are rather going a begging. And the things now fall apart. I must send an intimate who will be in class. What kind of leaders, what kind of citizens have we been from 1992 up to this point? What kind of leaders? And what kind of citizens? Omanya okop kwasi machi okop baby approach for a bonsa no ansa no to kwan na kohwe mabunu pa exit this country wona nimdie ene ahoden kro bia fapem no they are rather going to give it to another person e kro fufro minim de ode be so mama wachi
oka mabunu efri Ghana ena kai me na no ju adasema Titus Glover ebe kai about tall workers here in free Ghana, echo other countries. Yo, manya experience for over 15-20 years. To workers in Iraq, Afghanistan, Dubai.
They are going to excel, super excel.
Etiafe ye pisikaba ye toye no.
Oh Jesus.
Ye yasako tech. Ako fan krofa betete wo.
Jesus.
Etufi se one okutani cruda. Our experience hands over be jadi about say I feel one na face sua adwuma no be dey blom so mo
Because we wake up every blessed day, MPP, NDC. And yeah, discussing policies, yeah, discussing idea de buntu oba. There be the ekonina because ye will be held responsible, your generation DH, you know. One because ye sansa for ya could before just in your padia who do nyane dachi sikanya epegonya, yankasi there's a boom, yes, idea.
O Mauka media sem, better be a may sem trade by Mecca. O mem from bo found to do an free and sem trade.
Mean do chim.
O man enya and sem trade for no as journalist, no. But the real yama media plurality no abedoso. Amo BFE so kaprene simple betimi abiet no. No abie no ajano honum. Share this report by Enra, University of Ghana. See a chance and for as below as 500 Ghana cedis. Eti batewo sansem train no asem papa ben eno betimi dia bro. 2 your politicians sorry and I'm some trouble from what and church semu. Oh man, ye mududu anti most of the issues across wo imem say. Most journalists here work Ghana mass communication. The most of them you don't have technical knowledge of most of the issues.
Mass communication, a lawyer.
Yes.
A lawyer, a teacher.
A teacher.
Over these 3 areas and are dominating
media landscape. It depending about Branya, but church and St. Ken, we said, be assembly bar. Or bet me at him, no. Yenchim. It is a training call assignment, not for energy ministry. Because the technical terms, one tier senti. Now, Pano Copano Casa Jomama Bear, why, yeah.
And no,
any issue.
That's the most important thing.
Yes.
But and can't cry.
The main issue here said, Yankania air co air do. Now, point just the technical aspect in the woman say, but some training yes. Now, who can say, your mama buy Anya Hina?
Womb, a cop. The whole Ghana.
The whole Ghana.
Your mama Anya. Yeah, found up. Your mama Anya.
But the technical aspect in the best Soviet issue, Namayano. A Janissa. And your Jama politicians na only media landscape.
Well, so
yeah, back 2024. Yeah. And the Ghana radio stations came over 800. Oh man, how come America crest? Best of 450 to 500.
By 800, if one of your media.
Yeah, quite.
It's for politicians.
Yeah, do elections are near being so. Elections near
It's for politicians. It's for politics. It's so unfortunate. The acquisition of radio lines is another subject for conversation. But maybe about power. Then call for maybe 100. It will be radio stations at a go.
Yes.
So that's it. We are not measured in anything that we do. We are so self-centered. Yeah, you Ghana won. Baby, I can't kono maka. Enche bia no anya careful. Uti ufie. Ye mekum, ye meye ohwe. Uwura ho a aduane a kwabra santu ufie a ye bo woni sube tre na wasese aduane na fe meja wona meko.
Yes.
If you don't help your next door neighbor, or you're a security threat to you. So you say na strong one na mudidi a ase of for the boomer ubedwane o na mumrika. It is better to put in measures, policies, decisions that will impact the biggest population than the few people are more enjoy.
And that kind of utimpotamu na se o security and pray my uncle
Debbie
because I'm not for tumpotamo so antimi and support no be atansia omo to show so untimi
Debbie
ye pe ye hu me too much Ghana adoso.
Well, it's about what to do the work at him the bring my uncle Macau say na ya the 20th of April onyame ya doma may Kyle Bill say you need to be patriotic for this country. So too much. Hey, ya dear be so too much. What when ya kukudo so dia kasetia enipa bi no mana muntu atosin. Mabunu so yentie na mo hye so. We ye babuna. There's something we tell ourselves go through the process. Mabunu dodo na susu say Opeso Centronia, I just didn't arrive at this point. Because he can't kusema. Into one chance here, you can't expect say obe. But John Poa could see anymore so nembebu.
Yes.
When you are 18 and you are now starting the journey, Untimi nkasa ope iPhone 14, 13 at a go. Unless you fuck with kwan. And our phone will be a man broso. Go through the process. Who shall fit na? Untimi for 3 months. We are see me them upon me o boss and bless you. No jaw into the old sir man for cars. Maybe the oil go not in so go. Oh, your babuna, Jitum said there are options and opportunities in this life. Meme tonam. We are, Mr. Bois, China phobia mere construction. What banamia me a part of the NAMTON process now. You'll be amazed, but I have to. And you opportunities with my young coco, with my improco, Nenchi, Imponchi, in Yang, Gaining come for that to say, in Yang and Soto, and then coco. Opportunities with me to pano. With my caterer and they deco for no school no crab learn some and they make up he cost more than the abba. Oh, Timmy, not same found son show them from Uncle Casa. You expecting that one kill, oh papa, oh sewa, unyabi, a bine, be force, be baby wire. We've gone past that age. Timabru's munya careful. A lot of young girls, most of married sort to say. Modian say money member the best ever call up and down sana. Posterity is going to judge all of us. Yes. I'm very to question to
Ghanaian Times. Improving police welfare. President inaugurates 322 housing units to provide accommodation, modern facilities for personnel. Alleged treason trial. Witness denies manufacturing guns for coup. Economy expands by 3.1% in 2022, according to Ghana Statistical Service. NPP, NDC urged to allow police carry out duties.
I know Obi say, a dano, a junior staff, I don't be about many issues. A dan picture who is but won't consider junior staff.
Oh, what's
the Obi catchers with the best senior officer to Debbie. The BR, baby, a strong one.
Yeah, but I senior for e wo so many age say alice omano yesu be the free en kan dana na yesima police
for
yes
ana say kwa no the
and the police ne betim the free ya sha ne
yes asema obi kan o say police for the be free ya we na chi you know and no ameka we ko see say me say IGP ka say be order president ase no
okay
say na the why e die e bro adrenaline tiase so nemo Napoleon we are continuing to ask for more na osa share mampanyin bo say sa adwini bi e wo Ghana for team sa pose phone ni omuni pose phone timi siesie bia omo no o hye nana boss president Ekufuado boss sa adwene ni de nana ma paper da nti na oba police headquarters kwa na wo hu se anim ho nyina bia no o ma se bia kama that's the promise that you nana do danko Ekufuado na o monitor ba bia odia na o charge asaf no na Minister of Defense your friends need to right no to asaf nana do asaf no na o charge Adudi. Everyone say a protocol just but you two na me need commodity.
But yeah, please follow. So my son, I say I'm for a perception. I'm for police barracks. Omuko hu enema ekoso. But yeah, ne be muso kasa dana kasa omo no. Ni ma bia kedi kwase ba bonten na ba
me fridge ni say no ameka ba ko chiro be say mi am dance o ko so na fridge say but
no manya ne e betimi dia hye dem say nya enkanko mu sibi so wa yes no so e mu support for the military I think say e ko ne sia it's your man Ghanaian Times no ma me share daily graphic President inaugurates police barracks at Kwabenya.
I'm sure they will cover all the
oh yes. Political capture of media risky.
Very risky.
Yeah, can was and
the Vanguard about it. Vanguard. Okay, Vanguard will have. Maybe it's a Vanguard. Okay, Vanguard.
Okay, Vanguard war. Maybe Adom. Yeah. Or see, IMF loan facility now a done deal. Okay. The Yamia say. Finance Minister they can say. He accept Nana nominees. Family received 25,000 compensation after purchasing fuel mixed with water. Wow. Wow. And MP fired it.
EC accepts Nana nominees but Nana Besisa Baku.
Okay.
Nana Besisa because we cannot politicize the electoral commission. Yes. that one.
We be kan wasempa. Be kan wasempa. Family die nso no, ye mo MP for so abaso.
Aza. Odi onya ise dia. Family for see ya. Me ko bu petrol sometimes Zongo Junction. Me ko see ko bu petrol Zongo Junction. Nipa no ade ba kwa kai me kwa. Fuel station or fuel attendant no.
Yeah.
Me drew on. Phone sinaswa ma me catch and say enye diesel eye petrol. Me tell say on tie cross. Ye di kan phone e si was call station no. Tie amra. One tie cross me udi ya me car petrol na me do diesel.
Yes baby.
That be we no be say oh chief mpacho diesel na say petrol na me say response the man ka. Ana because dem here no ana me no na me say sasa. Me tie hwe.
Yeah.
Na me call the boss no street. Okay. Now me say mechanic petrol you are feeling the mass dying diesel. Me should me call Kumasi at this material moment. Kwa ambe first mo
training out. Mabu petrol ba me no.
Ehwa papa ni attendant nedi. But that was not even enough for me.
Yeah.
The inconvenience I know creating Ghana football I didn't pay attention. And I'm taking this opportunity to tell attendants now. Ubedru on yes me use phone.
Yes.
Na attendant me use phone.
Yes.
If you want to be na kuduro kran kan kire wo say o engine no
dum no
kuta utie call so on timi na because ono anka say o bu nyina no ne nsa kuta pump nim na ne nsa ba ko so kuta phone nim o ma ya wo no
yeah o ma ne be ko na we dey quick one emfa asem dika to aso na that just aka be say 4 minutes I say me say 4 minutes na da so jina mu dia o ma ye dika kan was Council of State the appointment of Dr. Apia Hine Yentimi so. We go back to the drawing table. Na mne mampani enkasa. Na ya reverse the appointment.
We nye bibia ye mpam no nye se
enye adibia eye difficult bia. Nipa na e kan wasem no ye true NPP ni. Ena na no ban ebe na metise na NPP fobika ena NDC for so na say eye shame. Na bia me ka say NPP for call this liar. Na monti ase de entia Ghana for to abade ma in 2016 and 2020. So what you said you Ghana for to about the mistakes of NDC no to commit sin. Yet that's a real quick one. Yet a brand Dr. Apia and come Odie as a true NPP man. When I have to say in Kunim Nimdia FM, yeah.
Yewi Edamose. When we are going to Ghana, Ghana, Yewi. I go see the show moon. Yeah, that's okay. Edamose. That's a bre ya chiao that's a bre what it tia kwesi no the person pay better for that's bre wadar ma no hima ya chia mu nyina aha fo ahefo ni ahima nyina so ya chia mu e dey si ya to adwumade ni so